Hey everybody, it's Crappie Dan. I'm at the back end of the boat still. I want to talk about going down the highway and protecting your motor when you're going down the highway. And the correct way to do that, no matter if you have a Yamaha, Mercury, Evinrude, is to use the right supports to allow you to support the brackets and the motor so it doesn't bounce, it doesn't ruin everything inside your bracket and bracing of your motor. One great way that I found over the years, and I've used all kinds, is MotorMate. As you can see, this MotorMate is so easy to attach and put on the motor. Going down the highway, you're not going to get any vibration. The motor's not going to turn left or right. MotorMate allows us to easily do this. And let me raise this. Scap's going to help me by just showing how easy this bracket comes off. When you get to the ramp, you pull this off, put it on the deck of your boat or in your box. You're done for the day. Easy to reattach. So when you raise this up, it drops down. You do the two levers on the bottom of it. You're off and running on the water. Ready to go fishing. MotorMate. They make it for every motor out there. Check them out. MotorMate.com. You can see that this MotorMate works and it controls the motor when you're going down the highway. When you hit that pothole in the future, this thing's going to protect that motor from jumping out of the bracket.